Hi everyone, this is AP Singh. I welcome you all on my channel Medicos Marathi. Hope you all are happy and healthy. My dear friends, today we are going to discuss about X-linked recessive inheritance. Okay, so our today's topic of discussion is X-linked recessive inheritance. Before starting our today's topic of discussion, I want to request all those who are new to my channel, my dear friends, please subscribe my channel and press on notification bell icon so that you can get updates for all important upcoming videos. Okay, so let's start our today's discussion. Okay, first thing is that what is this X linked recessive condition? Okay, so my dear friends, in this condition generally the X gene, okay, X linked means why it is an X linked, because you all know there are two chromosomes. Okay, there are chromosomes in male and female, and in this condition what happens, in this condition, in this inheritance condition, generally this condition preferably go to males. Okay, this transfer, this condition, this inheritance condition generally occurs in male. Okay, we can see in males, and in females we can see only carrier. Okay, we can see that females are only carrier, they are not affected. Males are affected because of mutant chromosome. Okay, there is only one X chromosome in males, that's why they get this condition, that why they get X linked recessive condition. So first point you have to remember is that this disorder is expressed in male. Okay, because males are homozygous for X linked mutant gene. Okay, and what is next thing, if the male is affected, he will not transmit disorder to son. Why? Because male transmit generally Y chromosome to son. Okay, Y from male goes and X from female comes. So here which gene is affected, which chromosome is affected? X chromosome is affected. So male doesn't transmit disorder to son, but all daughters are carrier. Okay, because X chromosome is affected, so daughters become carrier. Notice this point, males are affected but daughters are only carrier, and if the males are affected, they will not transmit disorder to their sons, because generally male will give their Y set of chromosome. Okay, they will give their Y set of chromosome and X will come from female. So the carrier female when get affected, okay, or you can say generally carrier female transmit the disease to their son. Okay, son of the heterozygous woman have chance to receive one of the mutant gene. Okay, so in female there are homozygosity. Okay, there are homozygosity, and if the female is heterozygous in condition, there is chance to receive one mutant gene, and that one mutant gene will make the male affected. So primarily what you have to remember is that the this disorder, this X linked recessive condition is expected in males, and females are only carrier. Okay, what is next thing? X-linked recessive disorders. Now you have to remember all the disorder which are generally X-linked recessive. Okay, so first I am going to tell you a mnemonic to remember all X-linked recessive condition. And what's mnemonic? Was A B C D E F G H. Okay, mnemonic क्या है? Was A B C D E F G H. Okay, now let's see the story behind this mnemonic. Okay, after revealing the story, you will never forget about X-linked recessive disorder. Okay, what is WAS? Okay, WAS is Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome. Okay, so three letter completed. WAS का क्या है? Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome. What is next? HAB, hemophilia A B. Okay, and what is next? B. Okay, hemophilia A B, and B is again for Bruton's hypogammaglobulinemia, and you can say Becker muscular dystrophy or BMD. So here two disorder with B, Bruton's hypogammaglobulinemia and Becker's muscular dystrophy. What is next? C. C is for CGD, chronic granulomatous disease, and I already made a video on CGD, complete on CGD. Okay, and in that video I explained complete in detail about chronic granulomatous disease. And here the gene which is affected, which is X-linked recessive in the form, that is GP91 Fox gene. Okay, that is mutated. And what is another condition with C? That is a red green color, blindness, and ocular albinism. Okay, so and I also made a video on Bruton's hypogammaglobulinemia. Okay, so both of these video are available on my channel. You can watch these two disorder in detail on my YouTube channel. Okay, what is next? D is for DMD means Duchenne muscular dystrophy and diabetes insipidus. From D there are two disorder, and you can also remember Becker muscular dystrophy here. Okay, with this DMD, BMD. Okay, with D, because in this also available D, so it's your choice. You can put here also with B for Becker muscular dystrophy, or here you can also remember it as DMD, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, and Becker muscular dystrophy. Okay, by dystrophy you can also remember it here. It's your choice. Okay, what is next? Next is E. Okay, highlight here E of Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. Okay, you have to remember this by highlighting E of Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. What is next? F. F is for Fragile X syndrome and Fabry disease. Okay, what is next? G. G is for G6PD deficiency. Okay, what is next? H. H is for Hunter disease. So what was the mnemonic? Mnemonic was A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and you can clearly see whole disorder are revealed with this mnemonic. Was Viscott-Eldridge syndrome, HAB, hemophilia AB. Okay, type A and type B. B for Bruton's hypogammaglobulinemia and Becker's muscular dystrophy. C is for CGD, red green color, blindness, ocular albinism. D is for DMD and diabetes insipidus. E is for Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. F is for Fragile X syndrome, and F is also for Fabry disease. G is for G6PD deficiency. H is for Hunter disease. And now one another point is here why I highlighted both this disorder. Okay, because these two disorder are lysosomal storage disorder. Okay, but what you have to remember now here, all lysosomal disorder are autosomal recessive in condition except two disorder. What are those two exceptions which are X linked? These are Fabry disease and Hunter disease. So I am repeating again, all lysosomal storage disorders are autosomal recessive in condition except Fabry disease and Hunter disease, because both this disorder follows X-linked recessive condition pattern. Okay, so my dear friends, this is all about our today's topic. Hope you all like this topic and hope you all like this mnemonic. Okay, and another thing, Bruton's hypogammaglobulinemia and CGD, both videos are available in detail on my channel. You can also watch this detail on my YouTube channel. Thanks to everyone for watching this video. So my dear friends, before ending our topic, I want to request all those who are new to my channel, my dear friends, subscribe my channel so that you can get remain updated for all important upcoming videos. And if you are old here and till now you not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press on notification bell icon. And you can also follow me on my Instagram page. The link is below in the description. Okay, so my dear friends, stay safe, stay healthy.